I'm incapable of spoiling anything. I was just saying the final boss of Breath of the Wild. Wait, where did I put my boat? Oh, there it is. The only thing that I've only done air and fire, and then I haven't played it for like 2 weeks. I've just been busy. I got the Master Sword though. The Master Sword quest was like really cool. Okay, what the fuck? If I die out here, I'm gonna be so pissed. Ganon is a boss? What the fuck? I wish the Rito arc was encouraged later. Like in Breath of the Wild, it would have been harder and cooler. I think it was difficult enough. I think it's good. Actually, I think it was, go into that? You want me to go in? I think I'll die. I don't have any armor. It's not a temple? Dude, I got hit by a trident, and it did like 5 health. Be careful of the drowned. I don't know how to be careful of them. Is it really that good? Where's my chords? 1,482, 3, oh my god. Negative 1,450, 3,300, write that down. Write that down. No! Oh my god, dude. Dave trying to kill me, bro. Trolled. What are you doing right now? I'm looking for warm ocean. Dude, Quinny, are you for real? Are you for real? So I can find sea pickles. Kill it for a chance of trident. Nah, I'm good. Oh yeah, the Fire Temple boss fight was fine. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? Dude, Quinny. This is all your fault. Oh wait. But never mind, Quinny's a goat. Fucking... I've opened it to 70 damage and I'm not even at a second temple yet. I mean, you can get that if you like kill like a Lionel or something. Okay, how long did it take for you guys to stop like fusing other weapons together? Dude! Oh, okay. Bro. Are you fucking serious, Quinn? Bro, stop moving! You are just evil. God. Where the fuck is my camera? Is it still on? Where? Hello? Why is a fucking Among Us song, or whatever the fuck this is? You broke the fucking camera. Okay, wait. Why did that song stop now? Oh, okay. I thought like my headphones exploded now. I was like, everything's going wrong. Hey, you like took off my fucking sand. Is it on? Don't say F! Dude, what the fuck? Am I good? Okay, it's good. What the fuck, man? There's a crack on it? There's not. Dude, stop it, man. Do you not see the giant fucking crack in the middle of the screen? There's no crack. Stop it, man. Holy shit. Okay. What the fuck? Still checked. Bro. Okay, actually take a clip of that. I need to see what the fuck just happened. Is this what the fuck is this? Oh, it's upside down shit. Why are there Spanish subtitles now? Why is he not speaking? Hey, Okay. Okay. We're good now. We're good now. Dude, that was actually crazy. You can do an entire string where you make alien noises. Yeah, man. That'd be funny as fuck if you just fucking destroyed my camera for the last stream at this house. What were you saying? I don't fucking know. But yeah, like I literally just like put him on my bed. He ran over to like the back of the computer. He's never even done this before, and he just fucking yanked on the cord for the camera. He just yanked on that shit. Oh, dude, I thought it was a fucking desert. Fusing weapons together. Oh yeah, when did you guys stop fusing weapons together? When did you realize? Wait, did I go backwards? Fuck, I might have gone backwards. I never really did that. I did that for a good like probably like I don't know like 10 hours. And then I realized, oh wait, why the fuck am I doing this? Using monster parts are like infinitely better. I saw like whoever the hell it was doing that presentation. So loud. And like making like a big spear, and I was like, hell yeah, I want a big spear. And they like break in 2 seconds. What is this blade ass cornball shit? It would be a Majesty Von Doom song. What are you guys talking about?